So tired, I think I'm gonna go out for a walk. Yes! What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money by walking and exercising in 2019. I'm actually going to show you 3 apps, so all you have to do is stay with me. But if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel first, because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay, a little bit different video today, but still you can make some money by just walking and exercising. While you probably won't get rich with these kind of activities, you will definitely make a few extra bucks there. If you're serious and want to make some real money online and want to build a real online business, I do have my #1 recommendation in the link below in the description, but we'll save that for the end, of course, because now we want to get started to exercise, walk, and make some money with that. Let's get started. Okay, so the first app that we are going to have a look at today is Sweatcoin. And if we are on a desktop, we can actually type sweatco.in. Otherwise, you can go to the App Store or Google Play. You can see it is available on both apps here, and just type Sweatcoin. And we track and verify your outdoor steps using your phone's accelerometers and GPS location. Those steps get converted into a currency, and they are called sweat coins. And you can see here what you can get for sweat coins. You can get good services and experience ranges from driving yoga classes to high-tech shoes. You can also donate your sweat coins if you want to. So here is from the press. Sweatcoin has risen to the top of the App Store for helping folks getting something more than just a glow for taking those daily steps. So it's definitely, I would say, motivational, because it motivates you to make money while you're exercising. The more you exercise and walk, the more you earn, of course. So if you have a look at it at Google Play here, is a new breed of step counter and activity tracker app that pays you digital currency, Sweatcoin, for your steps to spend on gadgets, sport kits, fitness training, healthy nutrition, and much more. So there you have it with Sweatcoin. Pretty popular app, I would say. And the next application that we are going to have a look at is myachievement.com. myachievement.com. And when we arrive here, you can see that it says, we seriously pay you to track your steps. We pay you via PayPal or direct deposits for doing healthy things, earn for tracking steps, sleep, meals, tweets, and more. So you make money actually for more activities here, basically for sleeping, tweeting, the meals there also. It's free to sign up for Achievement and start earning. Here is a testimonial when she said that she has already received $20 as signed up, so it was so easy, and monetary motivation really encouraged me to get up and get moving. So basically it is a free service used by over 1.5 million members, so it's pretty popular application there. And you'll be able to see all your health apps in one place. So this is how this works. And you connect over 30 Android iOS apps, and they will reward you with points for activities such as walking, meditating, logging food, sleeping, tweeting, answering service, or opting into a challenge. And you can see here the apps that they connect with include Apple Health, Fitbit, MyFitnessPal, Garmin, Stop Breathing. So really a lot of options there. And redeem your points for actual cash. You can earn $10 for every 10,000 points. Rewards are payout within 3 to 7 business days. And yeah, you can see they also partner with leading health companies to offer you with extra opportunities to earn for contributing in health research. So basically all you have to do is just go here to the sign up and fill in your details. Or if you want to, you can sign up with Facebook. So that is about myachievement.com. The third one that we're going to have a look at is Lifecoin. Lifecoin, available also both for App Store and Google Play. You can see here, get paid to walk. Redeem for amazing prices. Your Lifecoin can be exchanged for gift cards, sporting goods and more. You can see here we have Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift card, and so on. Turn daily walks into mining sessions. So basically, if we open it in Apple Store here, you can see Lifecoin rewards for walking. Earn rewards by walking, running or hiking. Lifecoin is a reward app that converts your outdoor steps into Lifecoins and allows you to redeem them for gift cards, gadgets and more. So how it works is you do an outdoor activity, you walk, run, hike. Lifecoin recognizes the steps and mileage you take, then accumulate Lifecoins, automatically tracks the amount of coins you earn, and you redeem the Lifecoins for rewards. You get gift cards, gadgets, discount codes and more. So that is about actually Lifecoin. Now, I will actually show you one more application which is pretty similar, a little bit different, and is called Stepbet. Stepbet, you find it under waybetter.com/stepbet if you're on desktop. Otherwise, you can just type Stepbet and it will show up on your smartphone there. You select a game to get your step goals, then bet into the pot to join, reach your personalized step goals for each week of the game, and make your goals for the whole game and split the pot. Get back your bet plus a profit. Basically what you do is you actually betting on yourself here. It is more like a game, so a workout game. We can have a look at it more in detail actually if I go to FAQ here. What is Stepbet? It is a fitness game, as I said, that motivates you to be more active. Players bet on themselves to meet their personalized step goals during every week of the game and win money if they do. The cash prize, accountability and community support help you build a more active lifestyle. So how do you win money? If you hit your personalized step goal for the entire game, you split the pot with other winners. That means you get your bet back plus a profit, of course. So how much do I have to bet? Bet amount can vary from game to game, but most bets are $40. Generally, we don't have free games because having money on the line is an important and powerful motivator. And this is really so true because every time you pay for something, no matter if it's 10, 100, 1,000 or 10,000 bucks, you definitely want to get the most out of those money and you take it more seriously and you're more motivated. So you will definitely be more motivated actually by spending money here. So it is definitely a good application to apply for if you're interested to get paid for walking or exercising. You could see that you get actually paid for a lot more than just walking here also. So here are the more details, some FAQ here, how are my active and stretch goals calculated. You do need to connect your activity tracker. They use your step history to calculate personalized active and stretch goals that are manageable but challenging for your level. In some versions of the game, goals may incrementally increase week after week. So there is few more actually, but I'll let you have a look at it at your own pace here. So go to just waybetter.com, Stepbet, or actually search for Stepbet on iOS or on iPhone, or on Android if you are available at Google Play. Okay, so there you have it, how to make money with walking and exercising in 2019. 3+1 apps to download. Now, keep in mind, as I said in the beginning of this video, you won't get rich with these kind of activities. So if you're interested in building a real online business and making some serious money online, you want to check out my link in the description below on how to make a full-time income online. If you got some value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to both my channels that you see here at the end screen. So hang on, don't leave yet. You find 2 channel recommendations. Subscribe to both these channels. You also find another video recommendation as well here at the end of this video. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead now, go out, start walking, exercising, and make a few extra bucks. See you soon.